Hi everybody, I'm Jack with the Tulip Experience Center, and today I want to talk about training. One of the biggest challenges in manufacturing is ensuring that operators are trained before production, especially in regulated environments where training isn't just a best practice, but a requirement. Today, I'm going to show you how Tulip transforms training management from a paper-based compliance burden into an integrated part of your production workflow. This isn't a separate training system that sits alongside your operation, but rather embedded directly into your flow of work. Let's start at the training manager. This is where supervisors and training coordinators have complete control over operator training requirements. All of our training apps, including this one, were downloaded directly from our Tulip library, allowing for quick turnaround time and integration. What you see here is a view of all of our live training modules. In this example, we have things like basic training, which must be completed at the manager's station or in a training seminar room, and specified trainings, which need to be completed on the shop floor. Here's our roster of operators with the current training status. I can click on somebody and immediately see any pending and completed trainings associated with that user. Now, watch what happens when we bring on a new operator. I'm creating a new operator profile. Let's say their name is Sarah Martinez. The moment I press Generate Basic Trainings, a Tulip automation fires logic in the background. This automation automatically assigns all 3 basic training modules to Sarah without any manual intervention. No spreadsheet updates, no email reminders, no manual checklist creation. The system knows the requirements and applies them instantly. There she is. Sarah Martinez now has 3 basic training modules that were automatically assigned to be completed. This is what we mean by automations eliminating administrative burden. For the specific station training, I have flexibility. Maybe Sarah will work at Assembly Station 1A and Inspection Station 1C. I can manually assign those specific training modules to her profile. Now Sarah has a complete training plan. 3 basic modules to complete here at the manager station, and 2 specified trainings she'll have to complete on the production floor. This demonstrates the composability of Tulip. This training data isn't locked in a standalone LMS, rather stored in Tulip Tables, which are shared and acted upon across all of our production applications as well. Now let me show you what the operator experience looks like. Here we are on the production floor at the assembly station. When I go to select a work order and begin, a Tulip function is going to run in the background. This is going to query the skills matrix that is stored in our Tulip table and decide whether or not the logged in operator is qualified to begin the assembly or not. Now that the function is ran, it is determined that the operator is not trained, and a clear message is displayed. You must complete the training for the assembly station before continuing. This is error-proofing at an organizational level. This system prevents non-compliance before it happens. An untrained operator physically cannot proceed with production work, eliminating the risk for both the operator and the product. In this case, I'm logged in as Sarah, who's completed her basic trainings, but has not yet completed the assembly-specific ones that were assigned to her at the manager station. Here's the training terminal. Sarah now knows exactly what training modules need to be completed before she's allowed to work at this production station. Now let's go through what one of these training modules actually looks like. They include a variety of multimedia, such as videos, PDFs, pictures, and even AI chatbots. These things are all there to help guide the operator through their training. These training apps were built in the same sandbox where your production applications were created, meaning that the same team that builds your production apps can build your training modules. As Sarah completes the training, her progress is automatically tracked, saying who, when, and where the training was completed. Once completed, that training module is automatically completed within the system. No paperwork to file or manual data to enter. This demonstrates how Tulip automations and functions enable intelligent, dynamic decision-making embedded directly into your production apps. If training requirements change, we update the table. If certifications expire after 12 months, we add that logic and the system adapts. That goes to show how Tulip can transform your training management from a compliance burden to a seamless, intelligent part of production.